We'll now present the MT8000A all-in-one 5G BTS test solution. This solution supports non-signaling RF tests for 5G BTS manufacturing. One MT8000A supports in-band TX and RX tests. One MT8000A covers all main sub-6 GHz and mmWave frequency bands. Simultaneous and parallel measurements using up to 4 TRX ports improves production efficiency while lowering costs. The MT8000A performs RF tests with up to 4 TRX ports simultaneously to shorten test times for multi-antenna BTS. The MT8000A performs RF tests independently with up to 4 TRX ports. Unlike conventional testing systems requiring one instrument per test, one MT8000A can measure up to 4 systems to lower costs by centralizing test instruments. This is the parallel measurement setup using the MT8000A. The control PC is connected to all instruments via Ethernet. RF signals output from the signal generator are divided and input to the MT8000A TRX ports. This is the actual equipment setup with control PC screen. Start the MX8046A software for NR sub-6 GHz. Parameters are set at the GUI according to the SG signal output. Set the frequency, input level, and test model parameters for each TRX. Select the measurement items to be measured in batches. Then, press Single to start measurement. Numeric data and ACLR, EDM, constellation graphs are displayed in the measurement field. Switch main screen to Spectrum Monitor and check the signal spectrum. Change the slot, TRX. The measurement results are displayed for the specified TRX port. Automated measurements are made using remote test tools. Command sequences are independent for each TRX port. This shows the time to measure 4 DUTs in parallel under the described conditions. 2-port measurement saves 45% of time per DUT and 4-port saves 70% compared to 1-port measurement. Anritza's 5G base station manufacturing test solution contributes to your future business through higher production efficiency and lower costs.